always loved animals, and I always wanted to save them and do the best I could to become an excellent surgeon and do the best I could to really make a difference. And I attempted to balance life between work and enjoying life. So I finished my degree in Spain, ended up in California. I went back to school to learn English, and then from there I studied Bachelor in Medicine again, and then I ended up at Cornell University, and then from there, New York City. And then just work hard my way up. Then I realized that I have great potentials to influence people and make a difference. And I created this amazing place with amazing people, and I really want to replicate it and make a huge impact and change people's lives and animals' lives. Life is a balance, as you saw today. Surfing, working hard, loving your family, loving your friends, and be part of the community. And just give back. Nature is who I associate myself with. I take care of my orchids. This is a baby one that I'm raising. It's called a little baby orchid. It's like a little kid. Plants are like, they're alive. They respond to love. If you don't care for them, they're gonna die. If you love them, they're gonna flourish.